Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you something which is very interesting. You can see two types of plants. This is one plant. It's a mint, पुदीना जिसको कि हम कह देते हैं या मेंथा कह देते हैं. Now you see in this container, this mixture, it contains coco peat. There is no soil in this, and you can see root of this mentha, and this is the system that you can say a sort of bed, planting bed. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add a small quantity of water depending upon the density of root that we are planting in this. So now you can see water is there in this bedding system, and the root is submerged in this water. The system could be any, it could be a pipe made up of plastic, made up of steel, depending upon the system. So in this system, what you have seen is that plant roots are submerged in water continuously. This is a system which is known as hydroponics. And what is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a system of soilless farming or soilless gardening. Why soilless? Because here in this container sometimes netted pots are used commercially. So this is a container that does not contain soil. We are using other alternatives. It could be coco peat, vermiculite, perlite mixture, these kinds of things, or sometimes coco peat alone. So this is a method that is adopted in farming and gardening as well. Here in this case you can see this is a very typical example of soilless gardening, and I feel that it could be the simplest method of giving example that is much easily understandable. Now let us see the other case. In this case, what you see, this is a money plant, and see how well it's growing. I can show you by moving it now. See, so this money plant, it is again growing in a soilless media. You can see coco peat is the main mixture, and in this case container is there but it's empty. You can see, yeah, it's empty, but roots are there. You can see this root is in the air. In this type of system, that is also a system known under the head of hydroponics or soilless gardening. Here in this system, we are not going to submerge the root in water, but what we'll be doing will be occasionally spraying the water on its roots from time to time. See, the water has been sprayed, and this is the main root. These are secondary roots, those whites, and this will again be kept back in this container. That is, once again I would like to show you, it's waterless, there is no water, the roots are hanging in the air. So what this system is known as, it is known as aeroponics. जिस सिस्टम में आपका पौधा की जड़ें जो हैं वो हवा में हैं और टाइम भी उनको स्प्रे किया जाता है वाटर या सॉल्यूशन के साथ में, दैट इज नोन एज एरोपोनिक्स. एरोपोनिक्स भी जो है वो हाइड्रोपोनिक्स की तरह सॉइललेस गार्डनिंग है, और इसको आप हाइड्रोपोनिक्स का एक तरह का सब टाइप भी मान सकते हैं, जो उसका मेथड है. सो दीज आर टू मेथड्स of these two complex words, hydroponics and aeroponics. Though we all of us and even school kids are now being taught about hydroponics. So this is a basic difference between hydroponics and aeroponics. उम्मीद है ये आपको बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से जो समझने की मैंने कोशिश की है, आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन यूजफुल आएगी. सो दिस इज अ टिपिकल एग्जांपल ऑफ soilless gardening. This is hydroponics and it's aeroponics. Both are soilless. Thank you so much for giving your precious valuable time to this video.